Let's take a quick tour around Universitas Kristen Indonesia, or UKI as we usually call it. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 interesting faculties that offer not only strong academic programs, but also unique facilities and environments. If you're curious about what students usually do and what kind of future careers they can pursue, stick around. We're starting right now. First, let's explore the Faculty of Letters and Language. This faculty offers 3 undergraduate programs: English Literature, English Language Education, and Mandarin Language Education. Students here dive deep into language, literature, linguistics, translation, teaching, and culture. One of the highlights in this faculty is the Impra Board, a showcase of students' creative and academic works. There's also a letter board where students can post anonymous notes or thoughts, a way to build emotional connection in a subtle and safe way. Another special corner is the mini library, where books are freely accessible in a drawer. It encourages spontaneous reading and discussion among students. The faculty also houses the Language Service Center, or UPTPPB. Here, students can take TOEIC tests or join English courses. Graduates from this faculty are highly versatile. They work as language teachers in schools or institutions, translators, interpreters, content writers, copywriters, journalists, editors, and even social media specialists. Many also work in international companies, embassies, or tourism sectors where strong communication in English or Mandarin is essential. Now, we visit the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, a faculty dedicated to shaping the future of education in Indonesia. It offers programs such as guidance and counseling, Christian religious education, and several science education majors like mathematics, biology, physics, and chemistry. In this faculty, students don't just learn theories. They practice teaching through micro-teaching classes, attend school internships, and take part in character development training. Education majors study pedagogy, assessment, classroom management, and curriculum design. A standout feature is the LPKK, the Institute for Personality and Character Development. It's not just a learning space, but also a place where students can seek personal counseling and support from professional psychiatrists, psychologists, and pastoral counselors. It's a reminder that educators also need to be mentally and emotionally equipped. Each department has its own bulletin board, or mading, filled with event info, research projects, and student works. Graduates go on to become school teachers, private tutors, counselors, educational consultants, curriculum developers, and even education tech specialists. Some work in publishing companies, creating textbooks, or NGOs focusing on youth development. The faculty doesn't just prepare students to teach, it prepares them to inspire. Now we're heading to the Faculty of Law, one of UKI's most respected faculties. Here, students study Indonesia's legal system, constitutional law, criminal law, civil law, international law, and more. They spend time reading legal cases, writing legal opinions, and participating in simulations and moot courts. The mock courtroom is where the students practice real-time legal arguments and develop skills in advocacy, reasoning, and public speaking. The hallways feature motivational quotes about justice, small reminders of why students are here to uphold law and truth. A vending machine nearby helps students recharge during long study sessions. Career prospects. Law graduates have many paths. They can become advocates, notaries, legal consultants, judges, prosecutors, corporate lawyers, or work for government ministries, NGOs, or international organizations. Some pursue careers in human rights, advocacy, or environmental law. Others may become legal researchers, lecturers, or policy advisors. Studying law trains students to think critically, speak persuasively, and analyze complex information. Skills that are also valuable in journalism, politics, and even business leadership. And that's the end of our short tour. Each faculty at UKI offers something different, whether it's creativity, critical thinking, or a passion for teaching. Whatever your interest, there's a place here for you to grow and explore. Thanks for watching, and maybe one day we'll see you on campus too. Bye-bye.